Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are the type that run multiple online profile, whether for social media management, account management, online service, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce, you know how fast platforms can ban accounts when they detect you share device fingerprint. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing you guys to an anti-detect browser which you can use on your mobile device. You don't need to have a system to run this particular anti-detect browser. So if you are interested in learning this, make sure you stay to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. So without wasting too much of our time, let me get started. First thing, you need to head over to your Play Store. Once you're on your Play Store, you need to search for GoLogin. Now, once you search for GoLogin, it's going to show up. This is how the logo looks like. Then you download it. Once you click on download and it's finished downloading, you click on open. Now, once you open the app, this is how the interface looks like. Now, you need to provide your email address, password, and also confirm the password. So I'm going to pause the video and input my details. Alright, so I just inputted my email and also the password. So once you are done inputting all this detail, you click on try 7 days for free. Now they will ask you to solve a reCAPTCHA just to confirm that you are not a robot. Now you can see they said verify your email. They just sent an email to the email address you just provided. Now you head over to the email. Once you are on the email address, you need to go and click on the link which was sent to that email. So you can see this is the email. I'll just click on confirm email. Now once you click on confirm email, it's going to take you to the page, to the site. Now they will ask you to log in. Just log in with your details you just finished providing. So I'm going to pause it and input my password. Alright, so once you input your password, you click on login. Now once you click on login, you will be taken to the dashboard. So you are done verifying the email. Now you go back to the app, then you refresh. Now you can see they said, have you ever used an anti-detect browser before? You say yes. Select the country you want. Just select just one country is okay. You understand? Just select one country. Then you click on finish. Now once you click on finish, this thing will pop up. Just click on allow. Now by default, this is how it's going to look like. So you need to delete all this profile. How can you now do that? Now you long click on any of the profile and click on delete. You just long press it, delete. You do the same for all of them. These are browser profile that has been created for you for free. You understand? This is a 7 days free trial. It means after 7 days you have to subscribe. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get 3 free browser profile for free. You can create 3 browser profile for the lifetime unlimited. Like it's going to be for the lifetime. You don't have to pay for that one, and you enjoy all the benefits of the premium version. That's the paid version. Now you can see what they said. Orbiter install. You need to, if you did not install Orbiter browser on your phone, they will ask you to install it. Just follow the prompt. Now I'm going to cancel these 2 messages. Now once I'm done that, your interface, make sure it's looking like this. Now how can you now get the free 3 days trial, 3 free profile? You head over to this logo here where your email is, click on it. Now it's going to pop out these options. Now you can see our plan, the plan we are on now. This is the plan. This is the plan we are on. Coming. So this is the plan we are on. You can see this enterprise 0 of 1000. So it means I can create 1000 profiles on this particular profile now, but this is a 7 days free trial. So how can we now get the 3 free profile? You just click on upgrade plan. Now once you click on upgrade plan, you need to scroll down to the last page of the page. you can see where they say you also have access to free data plan that include 3 profiles in the browser and all the benefits of GoLogin except for sharing profile and team management. Now you can see they said it is going to you have access to free data plan that include 3 profiles. So this particular plan now is it don't require you to pay anything. Just click on choose plan. Now once you click on choose plan, you click on your email again to see if it has reflected. If it has not reflected, you minimize and clear the GoLogin and then enter it again. Now you click on it, you can see now it has changed for forever free. That means we used GoLogin free of charge, just that you can only create 3 profiles. So imagine you are working on the 3 survey accounts and you want to work on each of them. With this GoLogin now, you can just create profile for each of them and deploy your proxy on each of the profile. Now how can you now create a profile? It's very simple. For you to create a profile, you need to head over to this place here, this particular place. You click on it. Now once you click on it, you have to name your profile. Let me say I will name it let's say I want to use this particular profile now for my UK PayPal, or let's say UK5 survey account. I'll just say UK5 survey account. Understand? Now I'll go to my Jonix now to get my proxy. Don't forget, I'm going to leave a link to Jonix on my description of this video, so don't forget to purchase your proxy using my promo link. I'm going to drop that one also. Now I'll go to resident orders. If you don't know how to use Jonix, I already have a video about that on the channel. So I'll just copy one of the proxy here which I've already generated. Now I'll copy the proxy details. I'll copy the proxy details and then go back to my GoLogin. Now once you have named the profile, you need to, under the operating system, you can select any of these operating system. Understand? You can select Mac OS, you can select Linux, Windows 11, anyone. So I'll just leave it on Android. Then I'll click on proxy. Once you click on proxy, you need to click on this second one, your proxy. Click on it. Now once you copy your proxy from Jonix, you now click on this paste icon here, this paste icon. Now this is the format. Why purchasing your proxy, be it from Jonix or anywhere, make sure the format you are selecting is the IP followed by column, followed by the port, followed by another column, followed by the username, then followed by another column, then password. Then once you have done that, you just click on this particular icon here. Click on it to paste. It's going to automatically assign everything on this page. Now you now click on check proxy. Now once you click on check proxy, you can see, so you just click on create profile. Now I have created a profile for UK account. Ignore this particular logo you are seeing. This is from them. You understand? Now I'm going to add another profile for US account. I'll just click on the same place. Then this time around I'll say US profile. Then I'll do the same thing. Head over to proxy, your proxy. Let me change the operating system now to Windows so that I'll show you guys the difference. I'll change it to Windows 11. Then I will now click on your proxy. Now I will go back to my Jonix. I already have some proxies I generated, so let me copy it and then I'll go and impute it there. Understand? So let me copy the proxy details. So I'll just copy it, go back, paste it, and then check proxy. So let's just give it time to load. All right, so it has finished detecting, and as you can see, this United States, Los Angeles. I'll just click on create profile. Now I want you guys to take note of something. You can see the US profile is carrying what? A Windows logo, while the UK profile is carrying what? An Android logo. Now I'm going to launch. I'll first of all launch the US profile. I'll just click on the play icon beside it. Then it's going to open up a separate isolated, what's it called, a browser, isolated browser for that particular profile. Now you can see the IP analysis on this profile. You can see this is the IP analysis. Look at the browser fingerprints here. You can see they said the browser, this is, we are using a Chrome. The platform is what? Windows. You can see it shows that I am using what? A Windows browser fingerprint. Like my device is what? Windows. You can see it. And you can see my WebRTC is not leaking. Understand? So this is for the US profile. You can even check pixelscan.net. Let's check pixelscan.net. If you have not watched the video I made on how to do proper analysis, you can check the description of it. I'm going to add it to the end of this video so that you watch it. You understand? So let me continue. Now on the pixelscan.net, we need to see that the browser fingerprint is consistent. You understand? So you can see it's loading. So you can see it's loading. You can see it. Now this is pixelscan website. I'll just click on scan my browser now. What this site does is that it's going to scan everything. All is going to scan your browser. It will scan your location. It will scan your proxy, your fingerprint. You understand? What they call browser fingerprint is all these your time zone, the what's it called, your font, the language of your device, the location and everything. They are those things are what we call the browser fingerprint. You understand? So you can do your research, more research on browser fingerprints for more understanding. So you can see everything is loading. We just need to get what? Consistent. This site just need to tell us that our browser fingerprint is consistent. From the look of things, everything is going to be consistent because you can see it said no automated behavior detected. That means we are not using anything that has to do with robots. You understand? So we are still waiting for it to finish loading. All right, let's wait a little bit. Okay, I think I don't want this video to be too long. You understand? So if you have not watched the video on how to do proper IP analysis on your phone, you can go and watch that video. I've explained everything there. So basically this is how to do this is you can see these are my location for this particular IP. Look at the time zone, everything is matched. Now one thing about GoLogin is that GoLogin will use everything about your IP address. It's going to use everything about your IP address to create to make sure everything correspond with your IP, the location, you can see these are the browser fingerprints. All these things, you can see them. Those things are the browser fingerprints. Everything is okay. Everything correspond. You understand? The languages, the hardware, everything is okay. You understand? Okay. So now let me go back and then launch the UK profile. I'll go back. I'll stop it. You have to stop the previous profile before you will be able to run the next profile. You understand? So I'm going to run the second profile, which is the UK profile. Just click on the play icon. so that you guys will see the difference. Now with this particular setup, now you can be running your survey on UK, US, and also another country. You can see this profile now is what UK. You can see, and you can see the details about this particular profile. You can see say that we are using what Android. We are using Android. You understand, and everything about it is okay. You can do the same thing by going to pixelscan.net. Now, this is the pixelscan.net on this profile. I'll just click on start. I'll just scan it now and see. Now wait for it to finish loading. While it is still scanning, we'll go down. Let me show you guys. You can see it said we are using what the user agent is what you can see the location. So we are located in United Kingdom. You can see the ISP, everything. Now you can see this one is said what inconsistent, and you can see the reason for the inconsistency is what the time zone. Now in a situation whereby your own is showing inconsistent and it is the time zone that is showing that, it's very easy. Just go back to the profile. Go back to the profile, pause it. The other time for the US profile, we did not have inconsistent, you understand, on the time zone. Why for the UK we're having that? So I'll just long press it. If you want to edit anything, just long press on the profile and click on edit. Now you need to head over to the proxy. Now you can see it's on SOX 5. I'll change it to HTTP. Then I will now click on check proxy. Then I'll save it. Now I'm going to launch the same profile again and show you guys something. So I'll just click on play. Then allow it to load. So the same pixelscan.net website, just refresh, and let's see if we are going to be getting inconsistent or we get consistent now. So it has passed the Chrome, the browser. It has finished scanning the browser. So it has scanned the fingerprint. Now you can see that everything now is what consistent. That means we are good to go. The only thing I just did is that I changed the protocol from SOX 5 to HTTP. You understand? So with this now, everything is okay. That means we are good to go. We can now go ahead and start whatsoever we want to do. So this is how to set up your GoLogin profile. If you want to exit, just click on the GoLogin logo and then you stop it. Now I can add another profile for different country and all of them will still remain. You understand? Since we are now using the free, you can see they say forever free 2 of 3. That means I've used 2 profile. Now in a situation whereby you exhaust, like you added 3 profile and you want to do more, you can delete 1 profile and create new one. You understand? For another task. So this is how to set up your GoLogin anti-detect browser. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on another video. Thank you.